On my today's video, I will take you through how you can make your own crunchy onion crackers. This is another easy recipe that you can make on your own. When I say very easy, yes, it's easy. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can get yours done. You can see so crunchy, and I bet you will love to try this. This is better than the store-bought. All you need to do is just sit back and watch all the steps, and I believe if you follow it, you'll get it right. Okay, so let's dive into it. Here I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using 1 cup of spring onions already sliced, and this is a grated onion. I'm using it. So all the measurements of the ingredient that I use, I'll be listing them on my description. I added the dry yeast, the baking powder, and salt to taste with sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. So I'll mix everything to well combine. I added oil, vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And I added 1 cup of milk. And remember, you need to make sure it's a warm milk. So you have to knead everything. This is very easy to make. So this is Glatory. If today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Thank you for coming by. So now I will cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes. It's time to roll it out. So I'll put it on a parchment paper and then cover it on another parchment paper, and then roll it out. The essence of doing this is to get a thin layer of this, very thin layer of this dough. So now you can see it's so thin. I have to use my crackers cutter for this. So you have to dice it through the dough. So if today is your first time seeing my channel, coming by to watch my video, thank you so much for coming along and tagging along with me. I really appreciate. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. So now I will need to weed out the excess. So for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Thank you, I do appreciate. So at this time, my crackers is almost ready to be baked. So I have to weed out the excess. So remember to poke it with your fork. Okay, you poke. You can use your chopstick if you prefer chopstick. So at this time, I will be baking it for 15 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. So this is after baking. You can see my crackers is good to go. It tastes better than the store-bought. If you can do it, Why don't you give it a try? This is another easy recipe you can make in order to snack on it. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, like my video, please comment and also share. You can see it came out so well. Very super crunchy. You can see. So crunchy and it tastes better. If you prefer to add more oil, you can do so, but I prefer it like this. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.